everyone. First of all, wow. Look how many people are here. I feel so supported and loved, and this means so much to all of us. So thank you for being here. I also want to give a big thank you to our front desk staff, Princess, Caroline. You guys have been absolutely amazing and accommodating, and in my future practice, I really hope I have someone like you guys to work for us. For the faculty and staff, thank you all for committing your life to chiropractic and serving the profession through chiropractic school. Dr. Hawk, you're going to be amazing with your Peace Tract. I can't wait to see all the things you do there. All friends and family, thank you for all the support. It's fun. Yeah, guys, it's been real. It feels surreal standing here in front of you. I feel like it was just yesterday when I was 10th quarter coming into the clinic, not knowing what I was doing, but wow, chiropractic has taught me so much, but most importantly, it's taught me how to be resilient. And something that it's taught me is that resilience isn't just getting through, but also having the ability to adapt, get stronger, and become the best version of yourself. Becoming the best version of yourself is not just a static destination, but it's a continuous journey that we all to keep striving towards. Take this time in school to really connect with your patients that can make a life-changing difference with them, really be there to love them and support each other as well. I know being in school, there's so much work and it feels like there's no time, but make time to reconnect back to chiropractic and your purpose always. Thank you all. I love you all. It's been so real. I'm so thankful for you and joining me on this journey. And we're going to kill it in Malden, South Carolina. Let's go!
Oh man, the time has come. I remember me and Amelia were standing up there and we were like, we can't wait to get there. I wish she was here. Crazy, man. Time goes by fast. Everything is worth it. I want to give a big shout out to all the professors. You guys taught us well. Dr. Deckett. I love that guy. Dr. Hawk, thank you for always being there for us, teaching us everything that you know. Dr. Martin as well. We can forget about Dr. Guest. I love that guy too. He's been awesome as well. Big shout out to Kevin. Man, I want to give a big shout out to all my classmates as well. You know, Gerald always pushing me to do something better. Big shout out to my my people from MLS Club. Woo! Big, huge shout out to the fraternity. I feel like you guys are the reason I am who I am. And a big shout out to my girlfriend. But yeah, we're gonna be in Malden, South Carolina. You guys can come out anytime you guys have any questions. And like Marian said, keep investing in yourself. If there's one thing that I've learned is that the cup is never full. No matter how much a seminar costs, just keep going to them. Keep trying to be the best version of yourself. And it's not what you get, it's what you give. So I think I've experienced that myself, and I'm super excited to get started. And this one's for Amelia.
All right, it's gonna be hard. Man, this was a crazy journey to get to this point for me. I just want to say thank you to everybody who I even met during this journey, like all the teachers, all the professors who helped me along the way, my case doc, Dr. Hall, my mentor, Dr. Jack Burla, the ladies at the front desk who helped me out so many times and saved my behind. I got a patient here, Mr. Bob, thank you for coming. When I first came here to Sherman, I knew that I was just going to lay low, be in the background, and just get this degree and stay under the radar. And that lasted for about 2 seconds when I got here. I feel like I probably tutored like half of you guys up here. I just want to say thank you for this experience. This was life altering in the best way possible. I've grown in a lot of different ways. And I wouldn't have been able to do so without influences from every single one of you, especially people like my classmates who I've been able to lean on through hard times throughout this program. I just want to say and show my gratitude. Thank you to everyone, and I'm really excited and take this next step and move forward this next journey in life and start the rest of everything else going forward. So thank you.